dagdag kasi tayo ng dagdag, 'di ba? Kailangan na dagdagan ng credentials, kailangan natin magdagdag ng experiences kasi kailangan pabanguhin pa natin yung resume para makakuha tayo dito sa work na ito, para makuha tayo sa posisyon na ito. Pero what if kailangan na lang natin magbawas to make time for ourselves, to make time for our passion, and to make time to enjoy life as well, na hindi lang tayo puro work, hindi lang tayo puro input, but also to spend time with our families, our loved ones. Welcome back to the Brewing a Better You podcast. This is Rayuel, and if you're new in this podcast, this is about the realities, self-worth, life experiences, lessons, and everything in between of 30-somethings, shared by someone who's navigating life blindly in his 30s, and with the help of stories from others, because at the end of the day, you don't need to have it all figured out. And so, this is episode 14, and saan ba tayo nanggagaling ngayon for this episode? We've been constantly absorbing, learning new things. Alam mo yun, pasok tayo ng pasok sa katawan natin, sa utak natin. Ito yung mga bagay na kailangan meron tayo. But what if we already have everything that we need to have? It's just that we have to let go of something else, something that we have para mas mag-boom tayo. Baka yun na lang nag-weigh down sa atin kasi kala natin, okay pa rin ito, beneficial pa rin ito. So, our episode for today is 10 things to let go of in your 30s for a more peaceful life. Pero i-discuss ko lang ngayon ay 5 lang muna. So, sa next episode na yun, next time. So, let's go. So first is let go of comparing yourself with others. So we've been in a constant unconscious comparing ourselves with others through our social media. And kahit na ikaw mismo feel mo na hindi ako maapektuhan nito, unconsciously natatamaan tayo nito kasi nakikita mo na, I mean, yes, masaya ka for other people like I do. I'm happy with others. Lalo yung mga kabatch ko na they already have their houses, their cars, or even have their business booming. Pero darating kasi yung time na, kailangan yung akin. So, mapapaisip ka rin tuloy na, hindi, unconsciously, even if your thoughts are very positive, medyo maapektuhan ka rin na, kailan naman yung akin? Diba? And that's because of what we see in their social media, and most often than not, people only post on their social media what's their highlights, what's good, what's great happening in their life. So, hindi porket na kasabayan mo yung mga kabatch mo before, na yung college mo, kasama mo ng college, tas ikaw hindi mo pa na-achieve yung mga gusto mo, late ka na. So, you have your own timeline, you have your own season, and not everyone has the same starting point. So, maybe some of you merong loans pagka-graduate. Some of us are breadwinners pagka-graduate. Meron tayong mga and some of you have privileges like meron na silang, their parents are both working, they have these businesses, they have their connections. Kaya ang hirap i-compare yung iba't ibang buhay, iba't ibang starting point if ikaw, iba rin starting point mo. So, maybe you have to let go of you comparing yourself with others. Yan. So, next, number 2 is chasing perfection. We're wired to have good grades nung college, nung schooling, nung nasa school tayo, not just in college. We're wired na dapat mataas yung score, dapat 100 or A or uno yung grades mo. It's just that it doesn't work like that when you're adulting, when you're in the real world. And maybe, dala-dala mo pa rin yung ganun thinking ngayong adulting na But it doesn't work like that. Same goes with having a perfect timing, like what I do. Ngayon, tong podcast na 'to, it's still very raw. It's still very bahala na, no editing at all. Ito ni setup and all. So, pero resulta ito ng almost 2 years of kailan ko kaya 'to sisimulan? Kapag may maganda na akong setup, pag may maganda na akong camera, pag may maganda na akong mic, may maganda na akong background, may maganda na akong hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung mga ano, na inabot na ng almost 2 years. Pero it was November 2023 when I dated this with someone from that I met in a different community. And okay na lahat eh. It's talagang baby. Nabuo na yung baby na podcast. It's a Brewing Better You kasi nag-start siya nung meron pang kaming food business and we're really brewing tea, we're brewing coffee. Sabi ko, why not incorporate ko yung ginagawa kong yun and then into a personal development na podcast. Sabi ko, okay na to, ganyan. Hanggang sa, wala, delay na delay, kailan na siya ngayon lang siya nagabuo. Hindi pa nga rin siya ganun kaplakado. Pero at least nakikita ko, nagkakaroon na siya ng progress. So, ang matitip ko lang dito is, you just have to show up. Just do it. For those people who also wants to pursue their calling, their passion, and you feel that you're not yet ready, let go mo yung pagiging perfectionist mo kasi there's no right timing. There's no perfect setup. You just have to do it. Tapos makikita mo yung progress mo from being a noob to getting better to you getting more fluent or more kung ano man yung gagawin mo. Tapos nakikita mo yung progress mo na, okay, when I started, ganito lang ako. Pero ngayon, ito na siya. And, alam mo, mas na-enjoy mo tuloy yung journey mo. Ayan. So, next, number 3 is to let go of those external applauses. Yeah. Yan. So, bakit? So, you don't need everyone's applause. I'm coming to a point na, I know people that they get their energy from the validation from other people. Pero kasi, grabe naman yung nagiging lugmok nila kapag hindi naman sila nababalidate. And hindi tuloy nila alam ngayon paano i-control yun na hindi na sila nawala tuloy motivation. So, there's what we call intrinsic and extrinsic validation. So, internal motivation and external motivation lang naman siya. It's there are people, ako, intrinsic validation ako. Kasi I know, ito yung okay, ito yung ganyan. Pero paano kung nawala yung motivation? So, you have to have that discipline pa din. Kasi baka mamaya, you're living for the claps of others. You're living for your internal motivation. Sige, yun na lang. You're living for the claps of others. To the point na baka mamaya, naiiba na yung identity mo. Naiiba na yung gusto mo maging talaga. Kasi, sinechase mo nga yung validation ng ibang tao. Pero deep inside you, you're not happy. You're not okay anymore. So, find your own claps. Be internally, i-mix and match mo na lang muna. Find your own motivation, your internal motivation, para hindi ka at the mercy of others. And you'll have more peace kasi hindi ka na maghihintay ng approval ng ibang tao. Ayan. So, diba? It's your choice. Be proud of your choices. And so next, number 4 is to let go of those unhealthy lifestyle habits. So dito, 'di ba? Medyo ano tayo dito. Last episode was about how to insert ang fitness journey mo into your busy schedule. And bakit? Kasi very important siya. Yes, we're in your 30s, where most of us are at their peak of their careers. And sayang ngayon yung pinagpapaguran mo, pinag-iipunan mo, pinaghirapan mo, pero hindi mo na siya ma-enjoy kapag na-achieve mo na siya. So let's say, your dream vacation, your dream travel, or your dream house, your dream kung ano man. By the time na ma-achieve mo siya, hindi mo na kayang lakarin yung vacation. Kailangan mo ng, wag naman, no? Kailangan mo na ng tungkod, kailangan mo ng wheelchair, or baka may di ka na payagan ng doktor mo lumipad kasi may nararamdaman ka na. So, sayang tuloy yung mga pinaghirapan mo, sayang mga ginawa mo earlier part of your life if you're not taking of your health. So, isa pa nga 'to, eh, sabi nga ni Papa nung isang araw when we ran sa UP for, kami ng kuya ko tumakbo ng 16K, si Papa naglakad. Tapos after namin doon, naligo ako ng malamig na tubig ta's sinabi lang ni Papa, "Kaya pa 'yan ng katawan mo ngayon kasi bata-bata ka pa, pero pagtanda mo na dun ka tatamaan." Ako tuloy, "Okey po." Pero siyempre hindi natin mararamdaman, feeling natin okey pa ngayon, pero yun nga, let's just get it from the advices from the wiser ones, from those experienced ones. Yan. And number 5, the belief that your best years are behind you. So, there are times kasi na akala mo tuloy, "Hala, tapos na tayo kasi medyo late na, medyo ano na, ano pa bang puwedeng mangyari, eh, 30s na." Sayang yung years na i-invest mo na doon sa career na 'to or sa business na 'to. Well, actually 30s is just for me, is the peak of your health as well. It's supposed to be the peak of your health. And it's not yet too late that being in your 30s is not yet the end. It's just you building your foundations. Ito yung best time for you to build your empire kasi your 20s, most often than not, ito yung trial and error period mo na ito yung mga nag-work, ito yung mga hindi. Ito yung mga bagay-bagay na masaya ako, ito yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi. So ngayon 30s ka na, if you have to let go of something, let go mo na yung mga hindi nag-work para sa'yo. And then during your 30s, you have all the experiences from your 20s na sobrang bata ka pa. It's just that mas may pera ka lang. Sana, no? Mas may pera ka lang ngayon, 30s, to try different things. And it doesn't mean that changing career or shifting will stop you being the best version of yourself. Kasi yun nga, start pa lang eh, 30s ka pa lang, meron ka pa 40s, meron ka pa 50s. And you can still work hanggang 60s if you want to. 'Di ba? So, ang dami pang pwede mangyari during your 30s. So, don't limit yourself, but you have to let go of at least these first 5 things para hindi ka na mahirapan na, ito pala yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Ito yung mga kailangan kong, dagdag kasi tayo ng dagdag. 'Di ba? Kailangan dagdagan ng credentials, kailangan natin magdagdag ng experiences kasi kailangan pabanguhin natin yung resume para makakuha tayo dito sa work na ito, para makuha tayo sa posisyon na ito. Pero what if kailangan na lang natin magbawas to make time for ourselves, to make time for our passion, and to make time to enjoy life as well, na hindi lang tayo puro work, hindi lang tayo puro input, but also to spend time with our families, our loved ones, and 'di ba, yun nga eh, it's not about you working to live, but not about you living to work, but it's about you working to live, working to have a life outside work. And that's better. Ba? Ayun. So, hopefully, looking forward tayo sa next 5 topics. Next 5 na need to let go para at least mas ma-enjoy natin yung life. Mas ma-enjoy natin yung buhay natin. And that's our episode for today. If you love this episode, please share it in your Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok stories and tag me at Your Life Engineer. DM me your biggest takeaway and what episode to do next. Again, this podcast is your chill space and your time to refill your cup because nothing pours from an empty cup. See you next episode.